Guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will be sharing you the first trade I will be taking on my 5k funded account, and it will be JVP and you will see me trading JVP a lot from now on. And it is a short position given today's CPI and the gold surge. So we know gold and AUD are positively correlated, and from here JVP AUD was on a bullish trend for almost some time, and it's retracing to the 50%, and not only to be 50%, I will be expecting it to retrace or to take this low resistance liquidity, I guess. So I'll be expecting it to reach here, and we'll be looking for a trade once it retraces back to this resistance zone right here, and we'll be looking a short position from here on tomorrow. Like tomorrow means on Thursday on London session. So I will be updating you guys what the result or the entry will look like. So I don't think it will be going downward for today. Just let's see, and I will update you. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.